Imagine being able to turn a small amount of money into a fortune just by buying and selling pieces of paper. Imagine being able to join the ranks of the wealthiest people in the world just by following some simple rules. Imagine being able to achieve financial freedom just by learning a few basic concepts. This is not a fantasy. This is the reality of investing in stocks. And you can do it too, even if you are a beginner. In this video, I will teach you how to invest in stocks for beginners, step by step. I will show you what stocks are, how they work, and how you can buy and sell them. I will also show you how to research and analyze stocks, and how to develop a strategy and a portfolio that suits your goals and risk tolerance. You don't need to be a genius to invest in stocks. You just need to watch this video till the end and follow the guidance that I will give you. So, are you ready to learn how to invest in stocks for beginners and how to make money from the stock market? If yes, then keep watching and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already to get notified of my new videos every week. Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel, where I share with you the best tips and tricks on how to invest in stocks and make money from the stock market. Whether you are a beginner or an expert, you will find something useful and interesting in my videos. In today's video, I will show you how to invest in stocks for beginners. Step by step, I will cover everything you need to know, from what stocks are, how they work, and how you can buy and sell them, to how you can research and analyze stocks, and how you can develop a strategy and a portfolio that suits your goals and risk tolerance. This video is based on the story of Warren Buffett, one of the most successful investors of all time and one of the richest people in the world. I will show you how he started investing in stocks when he was only 11 years old and how he followed a simple but powerful principle: buy low, sell high. I will also show you how you can apply his principle to your own investing journey and how you can achieve similar results. So, if you are ready to learn how to invest in stocks for beginners and how to make money from the stock market, then stay tuned and watch this video till the end. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, to get notified of my new videos every week. But before we dive into the details, let me tell you a story. A story about a young man who started investing in stocks when he was only 11 years old. His name is Warren Buffett, and he is one of the most successful investors of all time. He is also one of the richest people in the world, with a net worth of over $100 billion. How did he do it? Well, he followed a simple but powerful principle: buy low, sell high. He looked for undervalued companies that had strong fundamentals and growth potential, and he bought their stocks at a bargain price. He then held on to them for a long time, sometimes for decades, and watched them grow in value. He sold them only when he felt they were overpriced or no longer met his criteria. He repeated this process over and over again, and he made a fortune. Now, you might think that Warren Buffett is a genius and that you can never achieve his level of success. But that's not true. You don't need to be a genius to invest in stocks. You just need to learn the basics and follow some simple rules. And that's exactly what I'm going to teach you in this video. So, let's get started. The first thing you need to know is what stocks are. Stocks are shares of ownership in a company. When you buy a stock, you become a part owner of that company, and you get a claim on its assets and earnings. You also get to vote on important decisions that affect the company, such as electing the board of directors, approving mergers and acquisitions, and issuing dividends. The main reason why people buy stocks is to make money. There are two ways to make money from stocks: capital appreciation and dividends. Capital appreciation means that the value of your stock increases over time and you can sell it for a higher price than what you paid for it. Dividends are payments that some companies make to their shareholders, usually every quarter, as a way of sharing their profits. Dividends can provide you with a steady income stream and also indicate that the company is financially healthy and stable. But how do you buy and sell stocks? Well, you need to open an account with a broker. A broker is a person or a company that acts as an intermediary between you and the stock market. They execute your orders, provide you with information and tools, and charge you a fee or a commission for their service. There are many types of brokers, such as full-service brokers, discount brokers, online brokers, and robo-advisors. You should choose a broker that suits your needs, preferences, and budget. Once you have an account with a broker, you can start trading stocks. You can either buy or sell stocks at the current market price, which is determined by the forces of supply and demand, or you can place an order at a specific price, which will be executed when the market reaches that price. You can also use different types of orders, such as market orders, limit orders, stop orders, and trailing stop orders, to control the timing and the price of your trades. But how do you decide which stocks to buy and sell? Well, that's where the fun begins. You need to do some research and analysis and develop a strategy. There are two main approaches to stock analysis: fundamental analysis and technical analysis. Fundamental analysis focuses on the intrinsic value of a company based on its financial performance, competitive advantage, growth prospects, and other factors. Technical analysis focuses on the price movements and patterns of a stock, based on historical data, trends, indicators, and charts. Both approaches have their pros and cons, and you can use either one or a combination of both to make your decisions. The key is to find stocks that match your goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. You should also diversify your portfolio, which means investing in different types of stocks across different sectors, industries, and markets to reduce your risk and increase your chances of success. And that's how to invest in stocks for beginners. I hope you found this video helpful and informative and learned something new and valuable. I hope you are now ready to take action and start investing in stocks for beginners. Remember, the stock market is a great opportunity to grow your wealth, but it also comes with risks and challenges. You need to be smart, patient, and disciplined, and follow the principles and strategies that I shared with you in this video. If you have any questions, doubts, or feedback, please leave them in the comment section below, and I will try to answer them as soon as possible. I love hearing from you, and I appreciate your support. And if you want to see more videos like this, please let me know by hitting the like button and sharing this video with your friends and family. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy investing.